If you're wanting to get Hostinger VPS Hosting and want to save money on your Hostinger VPS Hosting purchase, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be providing you with a Hostinger VPS Hosting coupon code that will get you a Hostinger VPS discount of up to 58 to 72% off on Hostinger VPS Hosting, depending on the VPS plan you choose. I'm going to walk you through the steps to get the Hostinger VPS Hosting discount, so you can get Hostinger VPS Hosting at a discounted price, saving you money. To get your Hostinger VPS Hosting coupon code discount, click the link below in the description. I provide the Hostinger promo code to enter at checkout with the link. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus you'll get an awesome Hostinger VPS discount. Now let me walk you through the steps to get your Hostinger VPS Hosting discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the Hostinger VPS Hosting plans page. Click the Start Now button or scroll down and you'll see all the different Hostinger VPS Hosting plans. Something to keep in mind is the Hostinger promo code will save you even more than what you see being discounted here. To enter the Hostinger VPS promo code, select the Hostinger VPS Hosting plan you want. As an example, I'll select the VPS 1 plan. On the next page, scroll down to where you see Total and have a coupon code. Click this and enter the promo code I provided with the link in the description. Scroll back up and you'll get VPS 1 hosting for up to 65% off instead of up to 63% off. Now let me show you the additional savings you'll be getting with the other Hostinger VPS hosting plans once you enter the Hostinger coupon code at checkout. For the VPS 2 plan, you'll get up to 61% off. For the VPS 3 plan, you'll get up to 63% off. For the VPS 4 plan, you'll get up to 70% off. For the VPS 5 plan, you'll get up to 72% off. For the VPS 6 plan, you'll get up to 67% off. For the VPS 7 plan, you'll get up to 65% off, and the promo code doesn't apply to this plan. For the VPS 8 plan, you'll get up to 65% off, and the promo code doesn't apply to this plan as well. That is all there is to it. You've taken advantage of the Hostinger VPS Hosting coupon discount. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Hostinger hosting tutorial videos.